Got water in your iPhone speaker? Here's how to eject water from your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. iPhones are water resistant, not waterproof. If your phone got wet, don't charge it immediately, and don't use heat like a hairdryer. iPhone doesn't have a built-in water eject button, but you can use a water eject sound. Open Safari and search for iPhone Water Eject Shortcut or Water Eject Sound. Play the sound at full volume. The low-frequency vibration pushes water out of the speaker. Repeat the sound 2 to 3 times until the audio sounds clear again. Open the Shortcuts app. Add a Water Eject shortcut if available. Run the shortcut and let the sound vibration eject the remaining water. Do not use rice. Do not use heat. Do not shake the phone aggressively. These can damage internal components. Place your iPhone speaker side down in a dry area for a few hours. If water entered deeply, visit an Apple-authorized service provider as soon as possible, and that's it. That's how you eject water from your iPhone safely. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.